Congratulations on your purchase of the new 3M Do-It-Yourself Fuel System Tune-Up Kit. This product allows you to perform a professional quality fuel system cleaning from the convenience of your own home and at a fraction of the price that professionals charge. This product removes carbon, varnishes, and soot from your fuel system, which will allow your engine to breathe easier. It will help maximize your vehicle's fuel economy and power. To use this kit, you will need appropriate safety equipment like solvent-resistant gloves and eye protection. You'll need some basic hand tools and clean rags. On some steps, you may need to have an assistant or a tool specifically designed to depress the accelerator pedal. This kit contains 3 products to help clean the soot and carbon from your engine. Step 1 is the new 3M Do-It-Yourself Intake System Cleaner, which cleans the intake manifold, intake valves, and combustion chamber. Step 2 is the 3M Throttle Plate and Carb Cleaner, which cleans the throttle plate and lubricates key pivots. Step 3 is the 3M Complete Fuel System Cleaner, which cleans injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers while you drive. Let's begin. Find the engine's throttle body. This can be easily found by locating the engine's air filter box. From the air filter, follow the fresh air intake hose to the outside of the throttle body. The throttle plate can be seen once the fresh air boot is removed. If needed, use appropriate hand tools to access the throttle plate. Remove the fresh air intake hose at the throttle body and set it aside to reveal the throttle plate. Step 1. Using the 3M Do-It-Yourself Intake System Cleaner, uncoil the product's hose and place the U-shaped portion directly in front of the throttle plate at the 12 o'clock position. The end of the hose should be 1/4 inch from the top of the throttle plate. Trim the hose if necessary to help with placement. Hold the product hose in place while slipping the fresh air hose back to its original position. Once the fresh air hose is in place, it will snugly secure the product hose while the product is being dispensed. If the fresh air hose had clamps, it is usually not necessary to retighten those clamps. Find a second person to help with the following steps. Have the helper start the engine and depress the accelerator to increase the engine's idle speed between 500 to 1000 RPMs. Hold the speed steady during cleaning. A specially designed tool is also available to depress the accelerator and hold it constant. The can of 3M Do-It-Yourself Intake System Cleaner sprays into the running engine. For safety, be sure to put the vehicle in park or neutral and engage the parking brake. Once the desired RPMs are achieved, go to the 3M Do-It-Yourself Intake System Cleaner can and depress the button. The button will lock in place. The cleaner will begin to flow through the hose. If a problem occurs and the engine stops, hit the Push to Release button and see the troubleshooting guide in Directions for Use with this product. After the can of cleaner has emptied, you will no longer see the cleaner moving through the hose. Go ahead and use the Push to Release button to unlock the actuator. Return the vehicle's engine to base idle speed and turn off the engine. Remove the fresh air boot and the cleaner hose. Leave the boot off and proceed to Step 2. Step 2, using the 3M Throttle Plate and Carb Cleaner. This step is performed without the engine running. Have your helper turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. Have your helper open the throttle plate by stepping down on the gas pedal. Remember, the engine is off. Spray 3M Throttle Plate and Carb Cleaner on the front and back side of the throttle plate and the throttle body, and wipe it dry to remove stubborn deposits. It is unlikely that the entire contents of the can will be used to do this. The can has been designed to spray upside down to clean all areas of the throttle plate. Clear out the remaining cleaner by blowing it out, wiping it dry, or letting the engine sit for a few minutes with the throttle plate wide open. Slip the fresh air boot back onto the throttle body and clamp it down if clamps exist. Replace any other previously disassembled parts and proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Use the 3M Complete Fuel System Cleaner to continue the treatment of all critical fuel system components. Remove the cap and seal it. Add the complete fuel system cleaner to a full tank of gasoline, 12 to 20 gallons. The recommended dilution ratio is 1 ounce of additive per gallon of fuel. If your vehicle has a fuel tank bigger than 20 gallons, additional bottles of tank additive should be purchased so that a recommended dilution ratio can be achieved. The cleaner will treat your engine while using the vehicle's next tank of gas. Go ahead and restart the engine and allow it to idle for several minutes. If the engine is difficult to start, use the flooded vehicle procedure that can be found in the owner's manual for the vehicle. Go ahead and drive the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes at normal roadway speeds. Note, the additional tailpipe smoke that you see may be evident while the kit is continuing the cleaning process. This will dissipate by your next tank of gas. There you have it. You have completed the 3M Do-It-Yourself Fuel System Tune-Up Kit. 3M recommends treatment of your vehicle at least once per year, or once every 10,000 miles, to keep your vehicle's fuel system at peak efficiency.